channel. It's your girl Nevlin, aka Nella. Here with highly requested video. I know there's just so many things going on around the world, but I just wanted to show you guys my house. I am gonna relocate to a new place. I was like, I will not relocate without showing you guys my first apartment. This is actually my first apartment at 26 years old. Can you imagine? So yeah, so I wanted to show you guys my place. First, I just want to share that the house or place where you stay should represent who you are, your personality, and your values and things that you hold dearly in life. And for me, that's what my house represents: a boho chic, and I love a lot of extra stuff, and I don't like plain and empty or white. So yeah, let's start with the tour. This is my kitchen. This is my Decor fridge and thingy combined, and this is also my Decor 10 kg washing machine. I got this from Clippers. Makes it easier for me. And this is actually a bread baking tray, but I just love the pink because it was pink and cute. Just to put like a pump, then I can just squeeze this thing instead of having the bottle to pour and squeeze. I use this as my soap and sponge tray. My kettle, I hate toaster. I'm not a toaster fan, so I always use my sandwich press to toast my bread and also make my sandwiches when I need it. This is just my utensil. So the stove is from this flat. This is the only appliance that I got on this flat. And in the corner here, I have my toothpick, my pepper, and my Himalayan salt, and my paper holder. Over here I have this beautiful Morphy Richard microwave. The minute I saw this microwave, I was like, I am getting this. Like, it's so pretty. It's only 20 liters and it has like it got this digital display and it has like a lot of programs I didn't even think that it got, and this is your timer and everything. I really love it. And in the corner I just have this family message. This me and my family, me and AJ. We are very loud, very crazy, literally us. And this is just my biscuits and sweets holder. I love my tea with biscuits, so I always have biscuits in my house. And my house diffuser, it's patchouli. I got this from Woolworths. This is my fruit tray, my fruit tray, and I always have my shopper bag. It's very huge and very massive. It always stays in the kitchen counter. And on this drawer I have my just utensils, and at the back I have my clips for my chips, just spices, any packs that it's open, just to seal it. And I got those clips from Plastic Depot, just next to Game. And in this big drawer I do not have a pantry, so this is my sweets drawer and my vitamins. And this is my baby's yummies. We call it yummies. It's actually just a squish or squash, whatever, but he cannot go to bed without this, so I just put them there. And then over here I have my sweets and snacks, my popcorn chips. I love my nuts and my vitamins, my supplements that I take. daily. As a nurse, I just need to boost my immune system because you can catch absolutely anything. And here is just my extra cups and my coffees and teas and sugars, all of that. I don't like keeping it on top of the kitchen counter. It's just gonna be too much. And here I just have plates and dishes and whatever. And over here is just more storage, plastics and cereals and things. And here just a water bottle and rice and mealies and flowers. And here is just another pantry where I keep some of the stuff, the spices and cooking oil and whatever. And over here is just where it's just under the sink where I put my rubbish in the small bin. And this is just my kitchen stool. I've actually got the stools from Facebook markets. Like, Facebook market is legit, guys. Like, if you want good second-hand stuff people are selling, you can always get them from Facebook market. And that's just another overview of how my kitchen looks like. And then over here it's another room where I film my videos and things like that. And this is just my other bathroom. So I have those machines and the lighting just interferes with everything, so pardon the image quality. Yeah, so this is my bedroom, ensuite, shower and toilet. And I have a dream catcher on top of my toilet. I'm just obsessed with dream catchers. And that's my shower. And I got this mirror from this game. And this is my bedroom. This is just my perfumes. And I really like this little corner. This chair used to be in the front, to just move it here because I couldn't make that as my reading place. Like when I just put the TV on for the boy, then I can quietly read the book or do my work or whatever inside here. And that's my portrait. My brother is a painter, he made it for me. I really cherish this so much. And this is just my bed where I sleep. It's a queen size bed. I got this throw from Pep at home. It was 300 bucks. I really love it. I couldn't get a beautiful yellow like this one here, so it's very, very, very nice. And this is just 400 thread Egyptian cotton. I got this from At Home Living Space. And that's also my other two dream catcher. I really love them. They just get rid of bad dreams and just catches the important one that you need, or that has a message and a meaning. I really and it really does help me. I really do not have any nightmare or whatsoever, like, honestly. I got this from Boulder Warehouse. Yeah, got this long time ago from Boulder Warehouse. And this vase, I got it, and the palm press, I got this palm press from Mr. Price Home, and the vase I got it from Mr. Price Home as well. Moving along, so this is my living room. That is just photos of my son and myself. And I have this binga basket. I got it from a lady on Instagram. I forgot her name. She's selling them from Facebook Market as well. This lamp, I got this lamp from DIY. just my leather. And the curtains, I got the curtain from At Home Living Space as well. This is the Malawian chair. I got this from Decor. This is my couch. It's quite massive. I would say it's almost like a 4-seater size because it's bigger. It's bigger than a 3-seater. This is my first furniture, something that I'm just proud of. It's so beautiful. I got this couch from At Home Living Space, and the grey fur, I got the grey fur from Woolworths. I got the cushions from Sheet Street. And over here I have also another palm cross. I love this palm cross. See, it has this burnt dusty pink, and this rug also, it's a dusty pink. So I tried to create a theme with all my decor. It's either gold, dusty pink and gray. So, and I just add any other color that I think that will go with it. I don't have a long, I wish I can just have a long server. I don't have a long server. This is the only table that I could afford so long, so I put the mirror and my books just aside of the table. I have this lovely plant. It's a faux plant, it's not a real one. I got this also from At Home Living Space. And the basket, where did I get this basket? Actually, this basket, I got the basket from Clicks. It was $2.99. And this rug, I got this rug from Sheet Street as well. And this is just my TV stand. My TV is about 43-inch. Can't remember. It's actually a TV that I got from Andre. And on top is I call it Wall of Memory. It's made of dreams, and it makes of love and dreams. And this, most of this thing I got them from I printed, but this woman here, I got this woman frame, I got it from Sheet Street. And Thankful Grateful, I think I got it from Crazy Store. The clock is from Game. The clock is from Game. And Relax and Nurse. I love this quote about nurse. And just because I love makeup, I have that positive, that lipstick, and another woman, and this is another. So this is my art wall. I have this plant. I got it from Mr. Price Home. Along with the rug, I also got it from Mr. Price Home. But the bucket, I got it from Checkers Home. I don't know what you call Checkers, but Checkers Home. It was $3.99. And this, all of my blanket stand, this leather, it was handmade. The lady made it for me. She makes them. She stays in East London. I ordered, and when she was coming over to PE, then she bought them for me. And she also does charge the delivery fee as well. And this is my favorite throw. This throw, I also got it from Woolworths as well. It's very nice and very fluffy. It's very, very nice and very comfy. I just love this. Just add some warmth in my house, in my place. I like to add things that would just add some warmth in the house, especially in winter. And here I have, and on my TV stand, I have this beautiful candle holder. I got this from Mr. Price Home. So, and it matches with this drawer as well. And the yellow vase at the back, what you call it, mustard. I also got it from Mr. Price Home as well. This is from Sheet Street, and this is from Mr. Price Home, and this is from Sheets, the small plant key. I got it from Sheet Street as well. I hate my Wi-Fi. It bothers me. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm still thinking of how to hide it. And underneath they're just magazines, and that bronze thingy I also got from Sheet Street. And in this drawer I just have nappies. I'm potty training him, but He's still wearing nappies. This is basically my house, and yeah. And so that was it. That was the tour. I did not show you my balcony, and I did not show you guys my filming space. That will be a tour on another day when I actually complete with it. I just like to have everything in. I'm not a perfectionist, but I just like to have things in order. You get what I'm saying? You don't? Yeah, I know. So it's my first place that I've moved in. I'm trying to get things here and there. I still do not have a coffee table because I wanted him to have space to play with his toys and to run around. Thank you guys so much. As always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm actually fun. I'm fun to watch. Black Lives Matter and COVID-19 is still out there. Please stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask when you are with people in a crowded space. Please look after yourself and look after your loved ones. Do it for the people you love, your family and friends. And yeah, stay safe. I love you guys. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye. Cheers.